Welcome to the Last Corner YouTube channel.
Jumpa lagi dengan Maman Racing, teman-teman. Apa kabar kalian? Semoga selalu sehat dan selalu diberi rezeki yang melimpah. Amin. Kita masuk di race kedua Jerez Spanyol Red Bull MotoGP Rookies Cup 2024 seri pertama. Kita lihat Veda berada di posisi atau grid keempat, sementara Huile, Uriarte, dan Danis berada di front row. Oke, jika melihat dari cara start Veda, ini sudah cukup bagus seperti biasanya. Dia mampu meninggalkan dan menyusul posisi pertama dengan menepati posisi kedua. Turun lagi posisi 8 Veda Pratama. Apakah ini merupakan strategi atau memang ada masalah dengan motornya setelah pasca crash kemarin? Atau ada masalah dengan Veda, mungkin cedera sedikit mungkin. Saya belum mendapatkan info juga dari Coach Momo. Nanti kita coba cari tahu, teman-teman. Left-hand side of the tires that's causing our falls this morning. Yeah, could well be. Hopefully, all okay with the riders. We'll chat to them later on. We now have some of the penalties coming in. Leo Ramerstorff and the number 5 has to serve 3 long lap penalties in this race. 2 for causing a crash yesterday. Karena posisi Veda terus menurun hingga posisi ke-10. Tak biasanya Veda seperti ini. Maksudnya, ketika dia ingin mempertahankan posisi, dia tentu akan mengikuti rombongan tidak terlalu jauh. Tapi ini tertinggal sangat-sangat jauh dan dia turun ke posisi 11. Sebagai informasi, teman-teman, bahwa Red Bull Rookies Cup ini sebagai ajang untuk mencari kursi, kalau mengutip kata-kata Coach Momon. Mencari kursi untuk bisa direkrut tim KTM di Moto3. Nah, ini ada yang menarik dari sebuah program seperti Astra Honda yang mengirimkan wakilnya seperti Veda. Tentu Veda ini sudah mendapatkan slot yang aman di Moto3 nantinya bersama Honda Tim Asia. Nah, ini yang rider-rider Spanyol, rider-rider Eropa, tentu mereka ingin menunjukkan siapa yang terbaik, teman-teman. Jadi mereka akan habis-habisan di sini. Jadi bisa dibilang ini adalah ajang cari muka mereka di depan tim KTM agar mereka bisa direkrut nantinya untuk berkarir di Moto3. Kita lihat Veda mulai turun lagi ke posisi 11. Sepertinya ada masalah dengan motor atau dengan Veda sendiri, teman-teman, karena ini tidak seperti biasanya. Tapi ini terlalu jauh sepertinya, tapi nggak apa-apa. Ini adalah permulaan yang bagus, teman-teman. Berada di zona poin. Veda memimpin rombongan pembalap-pembalap Asia, kecuali Hakim Danis yang sudah berada di 3 besar atau 4 besar. Jadi di belakang Veda masih ada Thompson sama Jakripat Vetisan. Oke, teman-teman, silahkan saksikan video ini sampai selesai. Sampai jumpa di akhir video. Jangan lupa tuliskan komentar kalian seperti biasanya. Looking at Veda Pratama in 11th place then. So after a storming start, he's been pushed back somewhat, hasn't he? He's ahead of the 24 of Guillaume Plon, Carter Thompson, the number 50 just behind them, and Leonardo Zanni, the Italian, in 14th place there. Another elbow out style from the 54 of Veda Pratama. He was he came to us really after dominating the ATC. 9 wins, as I said yesterday, and really expect great things of him. He's got the pace, but at the moment, Pedro Acosta getting his first sprint podium. It was only in 2020 that Pedro Acosta won the Red Bull MotoGP Rookies Cup, and look where he is now. The crowd in Jerez cheering, Pedro, Pedro, Pedro. Turn after turn, lap after lap, all race long yesterday. This is what these riders can achieve. This is what's on the line when they are racing in Rookies Cup. And this is what you can achieve if you apply online. Isn't it the Rookies Cup in the Open? Right, so back with the race. It is Morelli, but he is being caught, I think, by Chies, Carpe and Co.
The pace is pretty consistent. That's 148s across the top 7. 148.5, 148, 48.7 for all of the riders in that leading
Can't really
group.
brake as hard as I want. The back end's hopping around. I might try and change something, see if we can improve it. But I don't think he's quite got the pace that he had yesterday so far.
We're looking on board from Quiles up ahead to Danish and Carpe. He's been pushed back to 4th now. Those riders here, Carpe's taking the lead in the chase down of the Argentinian. Going to make it? Yes, he is. So he, after a couple of mistakes, has found his groove once more as they come out the final corner onto the start and finish straight. Keeping an eye on Rammersdorfer as well, who's completed 3 long lap penalties. He's making his way now towards the points.
And Uriarte, as I said yesterday, you know, he's a very well-spoken young man. You talk to him about the racing, you talk to him about what he's doing, and he can relate to you. I'm doing this at this corner, I've got that problem, that's where I know I've got to improve. And obviously that's what he's managing to do here. He's working around an issue.
And how he lost second place. The leading 6 riders all within a second of
But
each
he could
other.
lead on the last lap. Let's see what he does this time around. At the 83 of Alvaro Carpe, looking up the inside, making the move there, superb.
Just seeing the back of shot there, Quiles made another mistake running over the edge of the curbs, trying to chase down Salmela. You can see from some of the riders
That
then
half second advantage.
And what about Salmela, the 27, just off the back of this? He is biding his time. Nothing will do for him other than a podium or victory. He means business.
Carpe looking really good in second place ahead of Uriarte. All these guys know this track very well. They do plenty of laps. And it's Quiles, as you say in the back there. We just written him off. I, like you, Matt, thought it was all over for him, but it isn't. He's there. He's still got a chance of the win, but it's the 83, and the inside comes Hakim.
Hakim Danish into the lead then. He picks the pocket of Brian Uriarte as he takes a peek over his shoulder. That's it. Maybe I was wrong. Morelli perhaps has cooked his tyres. Who knows? It's 2.5 laps to go.
Yeah, it is 2 laps and a corner. And Hakim Danish into the last left-hander. Will he make the same mistake again? No, he's got it superbly through there. Leads out onto the start and finish. Just 2 laps remaining with the Malaysian leading.
It amazes me every time how they come out of the final corner from his drive. 1 lap to go, Peter.
Put your money down. Who's going to win this one, Matt?
It's going to be Uriarte for me. He's going to make a big splash in his first Rookies Cup weekend.
No, Carpe's done it. He's going to win this one.
Oh, Quiles nearly into the back of Uriarte, but again, 5 will go in. How many will come out? Who will take the victory?
Danish up the inside, but this is where he slid off yesterday. He goes up the inside. He's got it third. He isn't going to pull off.
Oke teman-teman, terima kasih sudah menyaksikan video ini. Beda finish di posisi 11 berada di zona poin. Ini adalah seri pembelajaran buat Veda Pratama untuk menjadi lebih baik di seri-seri berikutnya. Akhir kata, Maman Racing pamit. Sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya. Salam gaspol.